Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to unjam a disposal with something that you should already have around your house, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. I'm Roger Wakefield, lead AP, the expert plumber. I've been plumbing over 38 years, and I have every master endorsement in the state of Texas. On this channel, I'm teaching you everything you need to know about plumbing. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe so you don't miss anything. So guys, if you've got a problem with your disposal and it's humming, and I say that for a reason, because if it's humming, that means it gets electricity to it, but there's something jammed up inside of it that's keeping it from turning. So something you should have around your house, maybe a plunger. Now this one's brand new, but if it wasn't, you may want to put gloves on. The reason being, you're going to actually grab the working end of it, this end here. A disposal does not have these sharp blades that spin around. They've got gears that spin around, and the actual blades that do the disposing, the grinding, are actually on the outside body of the disposal. So what you're actually going to do, you're going to stick the plunger down inside, and I tell people you're going to stir it like a witch's brew. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn it around, and what it's going to do, it's going to rotate the bottom around, and you're trying to push those gears. So you're going to turn it one way and you're going to turn it the other until you feel things down in there moving around. This is a very simple trick that really anybody can do at home, and what made me think about doing this video is I had a school teacher call, had bought a disposal and wanted to change it out. Well, whenever she called and I started talking to her and realized she was hearing a humming noise. The humming noise means you've still got power. Now, if it wasn't humming, what I would have told her is get underneath it, see if there's a reset button. If so, hit the reset button and then try the switch again. Guys, as long as it's still humming, it just tells you something's jammed. So this is a good trick to know. So when you put it in here and turn it, what you're going to feel is the bottom moving around. And when it's jammed, it's going to lock up and you're going to keep feeling it hit something. So once you stick it in here, as you can see, I'm moving this plunger all the way around to make it turn down in the bottom. And that's all it takes to get something undone. Once you get it unjammed, it's a good idea to take a light, shine down in there, and see if there's anything that you can pull out. I have actually found kitchen sink rags, wash rags. I have found keys, I have found screws, and I have found coins. The other things, probably don't want to talk about, but you'd be surprised what you find in a kitchen sink drain. Guys, things you don't want to stick down your disposal: eggshells after you boil eggs, pasta, rice, cabbage, lettuce, anything at all like that. Let me tell you, we go into people's houses all the time. They say, my sink stopped up, and all they've done is stuck this in the disposal, broken it up enough, it gets down in the P-trap or the arm, clogs it up. Don't put those things down the disposal. Put them in the trash. That is a tip that can save you money. So guys, as you see, that was a very easy DIY tip. This is something that you can do, and really, there's not much to it. If it doesn't unjam, it is what it is. When it's jammed though, there is something down in there keeping those gears from turning. So if this doesn't work, you may want to try it again. I've had people tell me, look, I tried it and tried it and tried it and it didn't work. Guys, that disposal is a pretty solid piece of equipment. So when you get in there, you can really kind of manipulate it pretty good. You're trying to get those gears to break loose from the cutting edges on the side. And there's something jammed up in there that's keeping that from happening. This little tool can make it work for you. If you don't have a plunger available, a broom or anything like that that you can get down there and give you room to work it around, we'll do the trick for you. If your disposal is jammed up or just quit working, maybe you lost the power, maybe you lost the power at the breaker, anything like that, leave a comment down below and let everybody else know what you were either able to do to fix it or if you had to call a plumber. Hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything, and check out one of our other great videos.